So let's go through with the inputs in Python video. Uh, the last video we have already covered for related to the how we can use the variable and store the value in a variable, and how we can use the input print statement. And now we are using the input statement that which is take for the user side input and showing as output with taking with the input, and also we using the print statement that showing the output and variable that store the input value as well. So let's go through with the code base. So a is equals to 5 and print 5, print a. Okay, print a. So just print a, that's showing the 5 values. Value of a is value of a is 5. Okay, and for the input statement we are using as an input that which is predefined in the Python. Can you give me your name and just try for this key. Okay, just not showing any output for that because I didn't print anything that which is taken from the input. Okay, now I'm using for the print as a output part that's showing the output part of the which taken as an input. Okay, uh, now we are using as a variable that store the input value of that is equals to input. Can you give me your id value? Print id value is a. Okay, just b. Okay, which is already using in your name is Vicky and the id value is 23. The id value is 23, that which is stored in the first is this input is stored in the variable, then I'll using the print statement that showing the print output of that. Now this is only the part of the input which is taken from the user side that you can easily use in any of the case that which is taken. You can create any forms and you can just take as an input of that and showing an output of related to that. Okay, then this thing for the input part for this video, and the one more thing for that which is already covered of three part, right? Variable, data type, and print statement. With the help of this I'll create this small minor project for that, and you can try for the next video. Till of the next video I'll give you some hint part that which is try for that. Take an input from user as a name and date of birth should be statement in an input should be statement in input that which is and both of them ask in a different line, that which is used in a different line, right? Then print them in a statement like, okay, just typo error, like your name is that which is taken from the input for name that's showing the name, and date of birth is that taken an input which is stored in a variable that's showing in this part, right? That cover the all our thing which is covered in the last videos as well as that this is the as a taken as an assessment or project that which is you are covering up for the next video. Thank you so much.